Steven's out here doing stuff to his truck. We're gonna go see exactly what he's doing. He's trying not to vlog, but we're gonna go out here and make him vlog. What's going on out here?
A bit of a fail.
Let's see what we got here. What have you sprayed all over this grill?
Well, you see, I heard oven cleaner could take chrome off a grill.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's not working out too well. But this whole thing got started because I color matched my front emblem, and you know, co-workers was like, hey, it'd look a lot better if your grill was black. So I tried to sand it down, and it made some bubbles, and yeah, so this is where I'm at.
Alright guys, so like Steven was saying, basically he took his emblem off to color match it. We wasn't going to do another video on that because we already color matched the tailgate emblem, but everybody here at work was like, hey, well, you got the grill off, go ahead and paint it black. So he heard a couple miss. He heard that oven cleaner would take the chrome off of this plastic. Doesn't seem to be working so far. So Steven, you're going to try a couple more methods like brake clean, and what else?
I don't know, brake clean, we'll do a little bit more
brake clean or
forearm
brake fluid? Digging
and try some brake fluid and see what that does. See if we can't get this grill cleaned up. If not, we might just be replacing the grill.
Alright guys, so like he said, we're either painting this grill this vlog or we're replacing it.
Are you working on it?
What we got going on here, Dale?
Trying to help these guys out with the Ford product, you know, at a Chevy store.
What we're trying now, Steven, the oven cleaner obviously didn't work.
Yeah, oven cleaner was a bust. Brake fluid was a bust.
Oh, you did try brake fluid off camera?
Brake fluid was left on it all night and didn't do nothing. So,
oh, wow.
This is acid.
Alright, we're running acid. It's loud. The pressure washer's on. We got the Bigfoot Hunter Del Trogdon in here with the acid. Getting down with it. Well, wheel acid was a bust.
No,
Now what?
that was just wheel cleaner.
Oh, here you go.
Oh. Oh.
That's some acid right here.
All
Here.
right.
Ain't gonna do nothing to it.
You gonna let it sit on there for a while?
No, I still won't do nothing to it.
So I ain't gonna do shit to it?
Now, if it don't start bubbling, you want the chrome come off of it, don't you?
Yep. You on there, Dale?
Does that mean this vlog is officially turned into a grill replacement vlog?
I almost ordered the grill this morning, so.
Well, let's walk
We're getting
over.
closer.
Let's walk over and order it.
Yeah, it ain't gonna touch it. What I do is I just...
Oh, we got some progress.
Really? Is that what you want?
Yeah, I guess it is.
Well, that's where I sanded and it started bubbling. I don't know if we finally got something underneath it.
Have you tried brake clean or anything like that? Yeah, this ain't much.
Heard where some stuff is starting to happen, but that's from previous things, we believe.
Dale's just grabbing everything he has.
Damn right, man.
Everything in the kitchen sink.
Dale's throwing it all at it. Virgin lacquer thinner.
Hey. Try that. The electric center ain't gonna touch it. I just scuff it all up.
I think we should replace the grill. Guys, what do you think? I know it's going to be too late by the time you see it, but do you think Steven should continue on, try to get all this chrome off and paint, or should he just order the new grill?
I'm a tight one.
Comment down below. Snap-on's here to take all our money. What? Because you know it's true. You know it's true. Snap-on guy always comes to take all the money. Think about it, Joe. You ready to buy?
I don't know. All of this telling you that you can get a part to fix it if it breaks.
How thoughtful. Little torch action going on. Might need this on Steven's F-150 here in the next couple years when it starts to rust. Alright guys, now that the snap-on man's gone, let's see what Steven's up to now. This looks like a mess. Let me flip this around here and show y'all what's going on. My man has done went and got a half a tub and fill it full of bleach. Trying everything to dechrome this grill. I'm trying to convince him to buy the new one. Steven, what we got going on over here?
Well, a little last-ditch attempt effort. We are using some bleach to eat the chrome away. This is actually working. Now this might take a while, so this is probably gonna be about a week, and we'll come back and it'll be clean plastic.
Or that fire grill off Amazon, 2-day delivery.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we'll update you sooner or later, so hopefully next time we'll have either more of this peeled off or he'll just go being stubborn and buy the grill. Alright boys, should Steven continue on with this? Or should he replace this grill?
Replace.
All in favor of ordering the grill, say aye.
Aye. That sounds stupid as.
Alright Steven, what are you doing?
It's coming off.
Oh my god. Look,
Defeated.
Just give it up.
Defeated.
you got all this. This is from bleach. It's set in bleach for like 2 or 3 days.
It's been 2 days in bleach,
This is all it's done.
so it'll work, but it's going to take a lot of bleach and a lot of time. So I guess we're going to be ordering a grill today.
Yes. Alright guys, this video turned into a grill replacement video.
Finally.
Finally, because that's what I wanted all along. Steven just didn't want it. For any of you know who know, I love these blue towels. We don't need it right now. Anyways, I think I just hit him in the head. Alright Steven, let's go order this grill. Alright guys, this is the one Steven decided to go with. We're going to show you a picture of it on the truck. Now, does it come with the insert down the bottom too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both pieces.
Now show them the picture of just the grill. Alright, that's what we're going with. So, He's gonna go ahead and order this. We'll see y'all in a few days. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It has been about a week. We did go ahead and order that grill as I showed you in the last clip. Now, we got this off eBay for around $120 shipped. Just to let you all know, this is not going to be an installation guide. If you're looking forward to that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get the notifications. Until next time.